Have you always wanted a home that radiates old world quality, beauty, and charm, but isn't actually centuries old? The curb appeal that graces this home will make you smile every time you look upon it. And this gorgeous front porch will invite you, your neighbors, and your friends to come sit and stay a while. It's my pleasure to present to you 1800 Gray Fox Lane in Hudson, Wisconsin. The minute you walk in, you feel the quality, uniqueness, and attention to detail, the thoughtfulness and care that was put into this design and build. The soaring staircase demands your attention with its creative placement and design. In the living room, the custom built-ins and fireplace, understated elegance. The dining room is defined yet open. These shutters, well, they're just magical. The leaded glass is from an era of elegance. It's these touches that make this home unique and special. The original owner designed some of my favorite spaces in this kitchen, the antique custom cabinetry and this exceptionally useful island. The pantry is open, yet not entirely. The refrigerator nicely tucked away. This sizable main floor room can be your master or your home-based business hub, a fantastic place to meet with clients. A full bath is en suite and adjoins this fantastic mudroom and the back entry. This wainscoting was preserved from a local historic church. Greeting you at the top of the stairs are the landing, these overlooks, and this cozy loft, making this space exceptionally inviting. Just imagine curling up here with a good book and a warm cup of tea on a cool fall day. The master makes you feel as if you're on vacation every single night, sleeping under this custom ceiling design. And this beautiful ensuite has double sinks, a walk-in shower, and an old-style tub. Everything you need. The third bedroom in this house also has its own ensuite for the privacy that everyone longs for and deserves. Perfect for your children, your in-laws, or for a visit from your very best friend. The lower level has been completely finished to support whatever your lifestyle needs, and this fourth bedroom has been designed to complement the bedroom upstairs with these beautiful French doors. This space is the perfect man cave. Imagine this space for your safes, maybe even some false bookcases to hide them from view. The possibilities are here, just waiting for you. At the end of the day, unwind in your beautiful backyard oasis. If you're longing for the quality of a custom build in a beautiful neighborhood with mature landscaping without the weight and cost of new construction, look no more. I'm Julie Hefner from Lakes Area Realty, and I bring people and properties together in the St. Croix Valley. Give me a call for your custom tour today. Listen to me on WDGY every Thursday morning at 9:08.